reminds me I'm not the same. Lost without your tenderness.